So in Connect Math, we have some options at the top: Home, Gradebook, Messages, and Resources. So if you want extra help and extra resources, you can click the Resources tab. Now under the Resources tab, you're going to see Practice, Videos, Reference, and Course Files. So if I click, these are all practice assignments. If I click Videos, then I'm going to have some demonstrations. So I can I can change this to the appropriate unit, and I can change this to the appropriate lesson. So let's say I wanted to look at lesson 4, and I wanted to look at a problem. So let's see. Here's And so if I click on this, it's going to play the video for me. I have the closed captionings I can turn on. I can adjust the volume, and I can make it full screen. So this is specifically lesson 1-4, the prep skills questions, and it shows me, it demonstrates how to do these problems. And so I can go around here and I can search for what I need. So you have the different lessons in the book. You also have the Did You Get It's, because there are Did You Get It's throughout the book, but the answers are not there. Well, you'll see the answers in the section, but you don't see a solution. So you could click here, and then it will play how they found that answer. And it will walk you through the steps of how to solve. So this is another good resource to have for our book.